To this now, the local market is anticipating the first interest rate cut following an aggressive monetary policy hiking cycle which began in November 2021. 18 out of 21 economists were surveyed by Reuters news agency, and they expect a 25 basis point cut on Thursday. This is due to easing inflation. A business reporter, Ntokozo Khumalo, spoke to an entrepreneur about reduced borrowing costs and what this will mean for small and medium enterprises.
I am with one such entrepreneur in aquaponics as well as meat processing, and that's Banele Rewo. Thank you so much for talking to us. Firstly, just give our viewers insights into exactly what your business does. Aquaponics, what exactly is that, and where does meat processing come in there?
All right, I'm Banele, and I'm an entrepreneur. And 2 years ago, we started a business. And this business called is Z2B Meat Wholesale and Aquaponics. What we've been doing in the last 2 years is that we came together as a Stokvel group, and we decided to, you know what, the best way to actually fund ourselves and establish a business and move at a pace that we wanted to do is come together as a Stokvel. So what you're seeing here is a meat processing plant and the aquaponics operation. If some of you guys don't know what it is freshwater fish farming, and we are doing this in Soweto. And as you know, Soweto is a township, and we feel it's an opportunity to actually introduce urban farming in Soweto. And how it mixes with having a meat processing plant is after we are done with farming our fish, we're going to need a place to send it. We're going to need a place to package it so that it's ready for exports and such. So that's why we built this facility.
It's been a tough 2 years as we've seen those interest rates, climb up. Yeah. We see the plant here is, equipment heavy. Yeah. How has then, those interest rate hikes really affected business, especially being a Stokvel with so many people that you are responsible for that growth?
Correct. The reason why we actually went the Stokvel route to begin with is realizing that we are going to have a lot of impact in terms of our interest rates. Remember that they started about 2 years ago, right? And in our group, we needed a place to first invest our money. We needed a place to park our money. We needed a place to actually even grow our money. And the best way to do this is to try and do it with a business. And then when we went into a business, our sector was, let's concentrate on households. But we saw an impact in households where we saw that amount of money being spent on meat, for example, red meat, it became, we saw our sales lower, right? So we decided, what can we do to still sell? Because we have to be a business that stays running. And then we decided we are going to focus on contractors, our restaurants, and also those informal traders.
All eyes will be on Reserve Bank Governor later on this week. Expectations are for an interest rate drop. Yeah. What would that mean for your business?
That would be great, because at least maybe in that way we will focus again, possibly. Right, it's possible. We'll focus again on households, right? However, the best possible place that we can be at is bulk sales, your restaurants.
Banele, thank you so much for talking to us. Of course, Banele Rewo, an entrepreneur in aquaponics as well as meat processing, just the role urban farming really plays in helping lower the price of some products, such as the meat that is being processed here behind us. For Newzroom Afrika on channel 405, I'm Ntokozo Khumalo in Johannesburg.